Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. I just noticed this on some snack cakes I get. They don't come out till Christmas time, and that's about the only time I eat them. And I don't want them messing up my diet. But on the back of them, they had these cards you could cut out. I love this type of stuff, and I'm gonna cut these out and save them. And I'll use them. No shame in my game. But this reminds me of how they used to do flour sacks. When the ladies made flour sack dresses, they had different patterns and all, and a lot of flour got sold not by quality, but by the way that pattern looked, or the on the um, flour sack. And but I want to have a video about this flour sack dress. But I just happened upon this just by accident. I was fixing to throw this away. I said, before I throw this away, I'll definitely cut these out and use them again. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.